Hey friends, welcome to Phone Tech. OnePlus has launched two smartphones, OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7. Let's compare. In 7 Pro you will get a 6.6-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display, and other side OnePlus 7 has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus optic AMOLED display. Both smartphone comes with a 60 megapixel front camera. Storage: OnePlus 7 Pro has its 3 option RAM, 6GB, 8GB and 12GB, and other side OnePlus 7 has a 2 option 6GB and 8GB. And talk about the storage, both have the same storage option 128 and 256GB. Now talk about the back camera. OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 60 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and OnePlus 7 comes with a dual rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 has the same processor and chipset, 2.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset. Let's give you a look on some other specifications. Both smartphone has the Android 9.0 and dual SIM option and Adreno 640 GPU, and you will get a fingerprint sensor under display, but you will get a difference in batteries. OnePlus 7 Pro has a 4000 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging, and other side OnePlus 7 has a 3700 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price, OnePlus 7 Pro average price is 49,000 in Indian rupees and $700 in US dollar, and OnePlus 7 has average price is 33,000 in Indian rupees and 480 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.